Meaning of house husband.
House husband.
House husband.
House husband.
House husband. The term house husband refers to a man who stays at home to take care of the household and children while his partner works outside the home. This role reversal challenges traditional gender roles where the woman was expected to do household chores and raise children. House husbands handle domestic tasks such as cooking, cleaning, and laundry, and may also take on the primary caregiver role for their children. The concept of a house husband signals a shift towards gender equality and acknowledges that both partners can contribute equally to the family and household responsibilities.